Healthcare employment opportunities make up the largest portion of total job openings across the country, and this trend continues to grow. We are lucky to have an executive from one of Minnesota's largest healthcare networks, mHealth Fairview, to highlight the many opportunities they have for job seekers. Joining me today to share more about this organization is Laura Beath, Vice President of Talent Acquisition. Laura leads the mHealth Fairview Talent Acquisition Department and has over 25 years of experience holding system executive positions in talent acquisition management and workforce development. Laura is involved in many state and national initiatives, including serving as chair of the Governor's Workforce Development Board, and she has received many state and national honors, such as the Chamber of Commerce Community Spirit Award, Minnesota Vision Workforce Development Award, State Healthcare Promotion Award, State Community Health Award, Community College Individual Partner of the Year, and State Healthcare Workforce Champion Award. Laura, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Heather, for the opportunity to connect with Rasmussen students and alumni. I feel honored to be here and participate today. We have hired many of your graduates throughout the years and partnered together on many programs and are proud to continue that work today.
Wonderful. Laura, can you start out by telling us a little bit more about mHealth Fairview?
Absolutely. mHealth Fairview is a collaboration among the University of Minnesota, University of Minnesota Physicians, and Fairview Health Services. We combine the best of academic and community medicine, focused on breakthrough care, research, and education. mHealth Fairview is made up of 9 hospitals and 80 primary and specialty care clinics, mental health services, and pharmacy, with approximately 34,000 employees. Our mission is to heal, discover, and educate for longer, healthier lives.
You know, that vision is really what stands out to me, and I feel should definitely stand out to any job seeker who is looking to start their career in the healthcare industry.
Agree, Heather. We are also very proud to be an anchor institution, are committed to hiring from the communities in which we serve. We're dedicated to diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts and have recently launched the Hope Commission that stands for Healing, Opportunity, People, and Equity. The goal is to become an anti-racist, diverse, inclusive enterprise. The Commission is developing goals across 4 key focus areas. They are employer, healthcare provider, academics, and corporate citizen.
These sound like wonderful goals for the organization, Laura. Now, we know that nobody can be guaranteed a position with mHealth Fairview or any other organization, really. So we'd like to know just a little bit more about how job seekers can get involved and find employment with mHealth Fairview.
Well, as of today, June 15th, 2021, we have 1,870 total job openings across our system.
Wow.
There are openings for a wide array of experience and skills. But for the purpose of today's presentation, we're going to focus on 3 high-need areas: nursing assistant, medical assistant, and surgical technologist. Nursing students may have an interest in working as a nursing assistant while attending school, and we know that Rasmussen has great programs for medical assistants and surgical technologists. We will offer positions to students before they graduate so they can start work immediately upon completion. We consider internal hires first, so it's beneficial to work with us while in school.
That's great.
Medical assistants work in primary and specialty care clinics, and surgical technologists work in our operating rooms in the hospital. And nursing assistants can work on any unit in the hospital. There are many opportunities for career growth beyond these roles, depending on what you want to do with your career. We have posted this information about these 3 high-need areas on Rasmussen's Job Connect site, and you can also visit our career page at fairview.org/careers to apply. Here you can also join one of our talent communities where we can notify you about job fairs for the areas you are interested in, and my talent acquisition team can comb through this list for interest and reach out to you directly.
That's great. Okay, can you share a little bit more about some of those potential high need areas other than just the medical assistant, surge tech, and nursing assistant?
Yes, on this next slide, you can see an example of the wide variety of openings we have across skill levels. From jobs with no certification is required to jobs where a 4-year degree may be required. This information is also an example of how you can grow your career with mHealth Fairview. We have jobs that may fit your current skill level where you could apply and potentially qualify for benefits that would help you reach your next career goal. We support continuous learning and development and want people to achieve their career goals within mHealth Fairview.
Wonderful. Okay, so part of what we like to do with these employer spotlight videos is dispel popular myths about industries as well. So can you share what a popular myth might be for healthcare jobs?
Yeah, great question, Heather. I would say you do not have to be a doctor, nurse, or other frontline caregiver to work in healthcare.
Hmm.
We have jobs in many other occupations that do not provide hands-on care, but are absolutely essential to the success of the care team and the operation of our organization.
Yeah, there really are so many opportunities. I'm reading on this list here for anyone to establish a career at mHealth Fairview. Talk with us a little bit more about the advice that you would share with active job seekers out there who are interested in working at mHealth Fairview.
Sure, I would encourage job seekers to explore all of our openings. Apply for the job openings that have the shift, location, and hours that work best for your current situation. It may sound obvious, but make sure to have your phone number and email updated on your resume and make sure they match with what is on your application, so a recruiter knows exactly how to get in touch with you. They will most likely reach out to you by email first, so make sure you are checking your email frequently.
Great advice. Yeah.
Yeah, and tell us about yourself in the application and why you are interested in the job. If you don't see the job opening that is right for you, keep checking back. We have new postings all the time. We hope there are many candidates listening to this discussion that will want to start their career at mHealth Fairview and get to know more about the system and the many opportunities to help you grow. Employees that work at least 48 hours over a 2-week period have access to tuition reimbursement and in some cases tuition assistance, which is a direct pay option. They also have access to medical insurance, dental insurance, and 403(b) options. We offer an annual scholarship programs that employees can apply to each spring, and we frequently are getting grant opportunities to help further education. Lastly, I'd like to say healthcare is a calling, and you want to be the employer to help you meet your career goals.
Wow, lots of fantastic information. Laura, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us today and to share your advice and knowledge with job seekers.
Thank you, Heather, for the chance to share our message today.